Ice cream for breakfast? Really? What time is it? Adventure time. What time is it? Adventure time. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yungest. I'm back again with another video today. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be making y'all some peanut butter chocolate ice cream for breakfast. This guys is extremely healthy. You probably have all the ingredients in your closet, and it's super affordable. But yeah, guys, let's get on with the recipe. So, peace. The ingredients I'm using today, guys, is almond milk, creamy peanut butter, imitation vanilla extract. You can use real if you like. I'm also using salt, some Hershey's cacao powder, and of course our frozen bananas. The first step is, of course, guys, just load all of your ingredients in. I tend to put the big things in first, so I put in the bananas and the peanut butter, and then I load in all my other ingredients like the cacao powder, as you can see. It doesn't really matter how you load it in, guys. This is just how I kind of load it in.
But a lot of bad luck, wiping off the sweat, looking good as fuck.
The vegan protein powder, guys, is totally optional. I just like to always get a little bit more protein in for my breakfast. But like I said, guys, this is totally optional. Next, you just blend it, guys, until you get about a creamy yet still ice creamy texture that kind of looks more like this, guys. Next, I put my ice cream into a bowl and I begin to add my toppings. Usually, I like to use strawberries and various nuts, but today I only have almonds, so I'm using the rest of my almonds. And guys, this is the finished product. Wow. Alright, this is actually the bomb. The reason I made that face because it wasn't as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. I'm actually gonna put in the description below, like, add a little bit of maple syrup or agave to give it more sweetness, because it's not really as sweet as I thought it would be. But other than that, I love it. It tastes really good, pretty much. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And if you're not following my account, what are you really? You know what? Just subscribe. Just subscribe. Bye, y'all. That's it for today's video. Y'all be smooth. Stay love. Stay vegan. Out.